Hello, my name is Teddy Atsef, and today I'm going to be talking about FSHN 101 at UIUC and the science behind food, most of which, people have in their day-to-day lives. To start, cookies the process of making cookies is scientific. One, for instance, creaming the butter. It's actually a mechanical leavening process. This incorporates air into the dough to allow that cookies to puff up in the oven and give them that fluffy texture that everyone loves today. Another dessert that people eat is cake, and there is science behind making cake that are involved in mixing the ingredients. One is beating the eggs, which is a crucial part. This allows air to get into the dough, resulting in the fluffy cake we love. However, over-mixing all the ingredients before baking the cake allows this air in the dough to leave. This results in a flat cake. In another module, we discussed the science behind cooking eggs. Heating eggs allows the eggs to change their structure and appearance. This is caused by denaturation of the proteins. The protein bonds become disrupted, and this leads to an entanglement. When the proteins in the eggs entangle, the egg white hardens and whitens, giving it the sunny side up that we all love. We also discussed fermented foods. This is foods with living cultures. For instance, many cheeses, yogurt, and many breads. Fermented foods contain live microorganisms that offer health benefits and can be actually considered probiotics. Lastly, we also discussed beef and the science in cooking beef. Cooking beef is a scientific process. The myoglobin in the beef stores and carries oxygen, giving it the pink/red color. Scientists say to allow the meat to sit for 10 to 15 minutes after cooking, which many people don't do, and this actually allows the myosin proteins to relax.